How to fix iPhone says something went wrong, please try again. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll teach you how to fix Siri something went wrong problem on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. Solution 1. Disable show apps behind Siri under the accessibility. For that, first open the settings application on your iOS device. In the settings menu, swipe down and tap on accessibility. In the accessibility menu, swipe down and tap on Siri. Here, select Prefer Speak Responses. After selecting it, now swipe down and disable show apps behind Siri. Solution 2. Change your Siri language to UK English. For this, open the settings menu on your iOS device. After opening the settings application, swipe down and tap on Siri. Now tap on Talk to Siri. Here, first make sure that Talk to Siri is enabled on your iPhone, then go to Language. Now, change the language to English United Kingdom. Solution 3. Reset network settings. To reset network settings on iPhone, first open the settings application. On the settings, swipe down and tap General. Now completely swipe down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings. Now enter your iPhone passcode. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. So tap Reset Network Settings to confirm your action. Now your iPhone will shut down and restart again. This process will reset your Wi-Fi, VPN, APN and cellular data settings. Solution 4. Check microphone functionality. Guys, if Siri still doesn't work after trying all these solutions, make sure that your iPhone's microphone is working properly and Siri can hear you. Sometimes Siri doesn't respond due to a microphone issue. So test your microphone once using a voice memos or a phone call. That's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.